In one of my video, I said that some words are considered as male and some female. So how to decide male or female in Hindi? Some words which are always considered as male. So here first is पर्वतों के नाम. पर्वतों के नाम. In English, names of mountains. For example, here is a mountain in India, Himalaya. Himalaya. It is considered as male. Let me explain it with a sentence. For example, Himalaya, bada, parvat, or you can say pahad, because these are two Hindi words which have same meaning. Himalaya, bada, पहाड़ है. हिमालय बड़ा पहाड़ है. Did you notice I say बड़ा, not badi, because badi is used for females. Here Himalaya is considered as male, so I will say हिमालय बड़ा पर्वत है. If I say हिमालय बड़ी पर्वत है, it is wrong. The right sentence is हिमालय बड़ा पर्वत है. Second which we are taking is दिनों के नाम. दिनों के नाम. In English, name of days. For example, Sunday, Monday. In Hindi, रविवार, सोमवार, etc. For example, पिछले संडे क्या हुआ था. पिछले संडे क्या हुआ था. Did you notice I use था, not थी, because था is used for males and थी is used for females. That's why I am using here था. Some months name considered as male. In Hindi, महीनों के नाम. महीनों के नाम. It include March, April, June, August, September, October, November and December. Please keep in mind that it doesn't include January, February, May and July, because these are 4 months which are considered as female. For example, जनवरी का महीना अच्छा होता है. जनवरी का महीना अच्छा होता है. Here I use अच्छा because अच्छा is used for males and अच्छी is used for females. Besides this, I use होता. होता is used for males and होती is used for females. Next one which we are taking is देशों के नाम. देशों के नाम. In English, names of countries. Names of countries are always considered as male. For example, भारत अच्छा देश है. भारत अच्छा देश है. I hope you have already noticed that point. I use अच्छा, not अच्छी. I use अच्छा because India means Bharat is a country and it is considered as male. Now we are taking names of states. In Hindi, राज्यों के नाम. राज्यों के नाम. In India, there are 29 states. For example, हरियाणा, पंजाब, मध्य प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश, etc. I am from Haryana, so I will take example of Haryana. हरियाणा बड़ा राज्य है. हरियाणा बड़ा राज्य है. I use बड़ा, not बड़ी. I have some more points related to this topic and I will cover all these points in second part of this video. If you want to see second part, click on the video which is coming on your end screen. And if you want to learn how to read Hindi, there is a playlist on my channel which is coming on your end screen. Click and watch it. Let's meet in the video.